Hello learners, how are you? Today we will study page number 25, last paragraph, papier mâché. Now what is papier mâché and how we can use this to make different things? Papier mâché, a malleable mixture of paper and glue or paper, flour and water that becomes hard when dry. It is used to make boxes, trays, ornaments and many more things. It is the perfect environmentally friendly craft and can be picked up easily by an enthusiast. Means anyone who has interest in activity, creativity, who can easily learn it. It is an excellent hobby for people who like to work with their hand. Papier mâché in French means chewed paper or torn paper. It involves using shredded or torn paper and paste to construct sturdy means strong, and lightweight articles of any size or shape. What is astonishing about papier mâché is the way old paper, rather flimsy stuff, can be transformed through a process of mixture with paste into extremely hard and durable object. With the help of papier mâché, we are using flimsy stuff, means lightweight stuff, and transform them into through a mixture of paste. We are making a very durable object. Examples, see these pictures. These are the examples made by papier mâché. The origin of papier mâché dates back to ancient China. One of the earliest known use of papier mâché was among ancient Egyptians, who used it to craft masks used in death ceremonies. The French popularized the moldable pulp in Europe during the 1600s. French also used it during the 1600s. Here is a procedure for making papier mâché. Here procedure also given in this chapter to make papier mâché mask. Use this step-by-step directions and discover how easy it to create amazing papier mâché works of art. This activity has been suggested by Johnny Good. Johnny Good is a leading sculptor. This striking orangutan mask can be used as a wall hanging or in school dramatic production. If you learn this how to make this mask, you can use it in your school dramatic production and wall hanging also. The orangutan is an endangered great ape native to Indonesia. Orangutan is an endangered species native to Indonesia. Now we will learn step by step procedure how to make this orangutan mask. Step first is start by cutting out of piece of scrap cardboard in the basic shape of the orangutan face. In your house the cardboard is there. Take a cardboard and in the basic shape of orangutan face mask, cut it. Then add crumbled piece of newspaper with masking tape to form its muzzle, cheeks and forehead. See this picture. In this way you have to add papers. Now in step 2, continue molding the underlying base for the mask by forming a long thin roll of paper to shape the eye socket. You may add a small bump for the nose. See this picture in step 2. In this way you have to make. Okay, you have to continue molding the underlying base. At first you have to make the base for the mask by forming a long thin roll of paper to shape of the eye. You may add a small bump for the nose. In step 3, now fill in above the eye socket with more paper. Now you have to fill the eye socket. In step 2 you made the eye socket. Now fill this eye socket with more papers. Build up the lips with 2 pieces of crumbled paper and add the eyeballs. Then make 2 pieces of crumbled paper to make lips and eyeballs. Also fill in the cheekbones a bit and work all around to give in the face you want. Now step 4. In step 4, completely cover the paper with sticky tape. Completely you have to cover the paper with sticky tape. The papier mâché then will not stick to it very well, and you might be able to remove the foam when the skin is dry. When the skin is dry, you can easily take out this tape. The newspaper is turned into strips about 1 to 2 inches wide. Dip one piece of newspaper at a time into the papier mâché paste. In step 5, how to make papier mâché paste is given in step 5. Once the orangutan face shape is ready, prepare the papier mâché paste by mixing about 1 part of water with 2 parts of glue. In this way, you have to make the papier mâché paste. 1 part of water with 2 parts of glue. Now, the newspaper is torn into strips about 1 to 2 inches wide. Dip one piece of newspaper at a time into the papier mâché paste. Papier mâché paste, you had already made that paste. Now dip the piece of newspaper into that papier mâché paste to saturate it. Do not wet the paper too much. Stick the newspaper strip over the orangutan face shape. Already you made the shape of the orangutan mask. Now stick that paper over the orangutan face mask. And smoothen it down with your finger. Completely cover the shape with a layer of the saturated newspaper strips. They should all be overlapping and running in different directions. Okay, you have to add one more newspaper, and they all are overlapping and running in different directions. After one layer is applied, you have to let it dry completely so that it does not lose its shape. This can take up to 24 hours. One layer takes 24 hours to dry. Once the first layer is dry, apply a second layer of newspaper strips and let it dry completely. This process is repeated until you get the desired look. Means you have to repeat this process until you do not get the desired look. But you should have at least 3 layers. At least 3 layers you want. Again you must let each layer dry completely. Add one last layer of paper using brown paper. Let your mask dry completely and then turn it over. Now you have to turn it over. Isko ulta kar lo. You can now carefully remove the paper that the mask was built on, and carefully remove the paper that the mask was built on. If you are lucky, you could get it completely. Get it out in one piece and use it again for another mask. Cut holes. Now cut holes for the eyes if required. Now step 7. You are now ready to finish your mask. Smoothen the papier mâché mask with sandpaper. If needed, then paint the face of the orangutan. You can paint also. When the paint is dry, a coat of varnish will protect the finish. If you want to varnish it, then you can varnish also. Step 8. The only thing left to do is to add the orangutan's wild orange hair. You have to add hair also. To attach the hair carefully, drill holes. Drill holes around the top edge of the mask. Insert the wool 3 or 4 strands at a time. Once the hair is all in place, use a bit of glue on the wool to keep the loose strands from moving. You have to use glue to fix it. To fix the wool. Dry the mask completely. Step 9 is dry the mask completely. It is now ready to hang on the wall. Your orangutan mask is complete. And here our chapter also finished.